Hi friends! So I thought it would be a little bit easier if I just made a little video to show you how to do the power towers. So all you need are Dixie cups and a Sharpie marker. Usually Sharpie works the best. And so you can write any of the sight words that you're practicing on the top. You can also write it on the sides just so it's a little bit bigger. Sometimes the bigger words are a little tough to write. It can be done, but it's just really small. And so what you do is you just make a whole stack of them and you just go through and read the sight words. So there, and then you place it. We, here, we, can, why, and then you start building a tower, because maybe if he doesn't get it, you put it back in here, and then maybe, oh, got because again, and then you kind of just keep building. If you make a good amount of the cups, you just keep building the tower. He keeps practicing. If he misses it, just put it back under and it comes through again. And then they love to knock it down. I like to try to get it so they just go down nicely. That's how I always try to do it, and then you just kind of scoop them back up, and that's it. So it's just a fun, different way just to practice the popcorn words. That way it's just not just the flashcard all the time. Now these are kind of, a little more fun, a little more tactile. The kids usually have a lot of fun with it, okay? So if you have any more questions, please let me know. See you later.